Here's a review of multiplying polynomials. If I take a polynomial, I'm going to double distribute or triple distribute that into the other polynomial. I always like to start with the smaller one. So I'm going to take n, I'm going to multiply it, whoops, need a pen there. I'm going to multiply n by each term in the first polynomial. Then I'm going to take 2, I'm going to multiply it by each term in that polynomial. Well, there's a lot of terms there. So there's a strategy I call the box method that helps me keep organized. We're still distributing. It's going to be a more organized fashion to help us out to find the final answer. So what I do is I make a box. I'm going to put my first term across the top. You could put it on the side too, it doesn't matter. So each column is going to be a term. So I have n squared plus 4n minus 6. I'll put each of those in a column. Then I'm going to put my other polynomial on the side in rows. So n and 2, if I had three terms, I'd have 3 rows. If I had 4 terms, I'd have 4 rows, and so on. Now, let's multiply to find the area of each rectangle. N times n squared, well, that's n cubed. N times 4n, well, that's 4n squared. And n times negative 6, that's negative 6n. Then I'll do the same thing for the 2. I'll say 2 times n squared, well, that's 2n squared. 2 times 4n is 8n. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Now, if you notice, what's nice about this is my like terms are collected in the diagonals. 4n squared and 2n squared, they're like terms. And negative 6n and positive 8n, they're like terms. So now I can write my answer. I'm going to say, well, I have n cubed, because I only have that once. 4 plus 2 is positive 6n squared. 8 minus 6 is positive 2n, and minus 12. And there's your answer.